Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Hello, and welcome to Monday's Crochet Chat. Grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old Monday Crochet Chat. First of all, I would like to give a shout out to Doris from Rose Cottage Studio. She does have two really nice giveaways going on. I will leave her link below. Go check out her YouTube channel. She's just started making videos here recently, and they are really good. So hey Doris, I love watching her channel. She has some pups there that are really cute, and she does some diamond painting, crochet, quilting, and a little bit of everything. So go check out Doris. Go check out those two giveaways that she's got, and they have crochet hooks in them, so you don't want to miss those giveaway. One is a sunflower giveaway, and one is a Valentine all red theme giveaway. So yeah, go check those out. So my next thing is I got some happy mail from Darla, from Crafty Yarn Owl Darla. Let's go see what that is all about. Okay, so I received this cute little card in my P.O. box. And this is from Darla, from the Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. And this was the card she made me. Isn't it just beautiful? I love these handmade cards like this. This is such talent. Oh my gosh, I would love to be able to make stuff like this. I just don't have enough creativeness for this. It's just beautiful. Anyway, and here's what she put on the inside. First, she sent me her little sticker, and that's cute, Darla. Cute, cute. Hi, Pamela. A little birdie told me you needed some pink heart-shaped buttons. Here you go. Love, Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. And then look over here. There are buttons in here, and not just pink ones, but some red ones. Look at that. That was so cute. Darla, I appreciate this so much, and this come all the way from Canada. So these buttons are going to be really special. Oh, and look on the back of her card. Created by Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla on YouTube. Yes, Darla does have a YouTube channel. You'll want to check that out. I love her channel, and she is a great designer. She creates lots of wearables. She's been doing a lot of scarves and hat sets and stuff, but she does sweaters, cardigans, you name it, Darla does it. So, yeah, go check out Darla. She's just a sweetheart. And go check out her YouTube channel. I'll leave the link to her channel below. And she does have a Facebook group page that you might want to get in and show off your stuff. Yeah, go show her some love. So here are all the buttons that she sent me. Thank you so much, Darla. I'm fixing to put those on one of my doll outfits as soon as I get through filming here. Thank you, Darla. They look so cute on this doll outfit. I just want to say thank you so much, Darla. Go check out her YouTube channel. Okay, so the next thing that I have on this Monday Crochet Chat is, ta-da! I got my pattern finished. I used the buttons that Darla sent me. So these buttons are all the way from Canada. Isn't that cool? But this is the newest pattern. It is at the testers right now, and I will be releasing that maybe Tuesday. Be sure and check this out at adoringdollclothes.com. Oh yes, the blanket. I did get the Mary Maxim, the velour blanket. I got it finished, guys. I got it finished. Okay, let's look at how big this turned out. Here it is. Okay, so let's go take a look at this up close. Guys, I'm so excited. I finished this Mary Maxim blanket that I had gotten from the Mary Maxim Quarterly Afghan Kit Club. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so soft. It's a pretty heavy blanket, but it is so soft. I'm really liking this. I'm really proud of myself for making this and getting it done. It did take me a little bit because the hook was so big, but yeah. All right, let's go ahead and look at the hook and the yarn labels that came with this. Okay, for the hook for this, I did order this off of Amazon because whenever I did get this in the mail and the pattern, I didn't have a hook this size. So I ordered this. I think I paid like $7 for it off Amazon. It's Line Brand Speed Hook, and it's a USS 35 19 millimeter. I did find out that after working this pattern, I am not a fan of big crochet hooks. It was, I don't know, it was just a little rough on me. Okay, so the yarn that I used for this beautiful thing here, it's Retro Grand. Here it is. Premier Retro Velvet Grand, 44 yards, 100% polyester. And it's Premier Yarns. The color is white, machine wash, warm, dry, flat. It's a jumbo 7. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that was folded weird. 5 and 6. So it took 6 of these to make this. Okay, guys, I did it. I finished it. I think this may go in my bedroom. I think that's where I want it to go. But for right now, I'm just sitting it on my chair right here. I'm not very good at folding up. There we go. Okay, so the last thing that I got done is, ta-da! I made another basket. Look at there, guys. And this time I did use the white throughout it that I have been doing lately. I really like that. Kind of reminds me like a marled look by doing that. And I just let it change colors as I ran out, as you can tell. See, there's some little bit odd there. There's a little bit of pink there, and then it went into red. And what color is that? Red and purple is up here. But yeah, I made this a little smaller than my other baskets. I was on the road, and I thought, you know, I might need a little smaller basket for some of my smaller projects. So yeah, I made another one. And so I think I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I probably need about 6 more, but in the bigger ones. This will probably be the only small one I have, and I think I'm going to keep it right there. I removed the big one because I'm actually using out of it right now. So I will put this up here like for my display and look all cutesy and all that kind of stuff. And then if I have a small project that I need, I'll just pull it down and use it. So don't forget to check out the video where I showed this little bag off right here in Sunday's video. Tuesday's video, I'm going to show off the pattern that I have free for Adoring Doll Clothes. What else do I have Tuesday? Oh, I made some washcloths out of that scrub off. The Lily's Sugar and Cream. I made some washcloths with that. I'm going to show that off as well. And I'm not sure what all I've got Tuesday, but tune in Tuesday as well. Okay, guys, let's go see what we have for our 365 days of prayer. Gentleness. Remind the people to be subject to rulers and authorities, to be obedient, to be ready to do whatever is good, to slander no one, to be peaceful and considerate, and always to be gentle towards everyone. Titus 3, 1 and 2. God of kindness, you exhibit the strength of compassion to all who look to your example. The characteristics of your kingdom seem to be so upside down next to the world's ways. Instead of using the strength of weapons to intimidate, you call us to the pathway of peace. Instead of demanding perfection from others, we consider each other in humanity, treating each other with kindness and respect. We peacefully follow the laws of the land as put together by the authorities. We don't slander or insult others if they have a different perspective than we do. Clothed in gentleness, we are lights that cannot be hidden. Lord, looking at the way you call us to live, I realize that I am out of sync in a few areas. Forgive me for the areas where I have chosen to dig my heels into my own opinion. Rather than extend love, compassion, and the benefit of the doubt to others, I want to walk in your way. Does your life reflect the radical way of love? That is really good for today. Okay, guys, that's all that I have. Be sure and live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.